Dragon Ball Legend hacked mode, unlimited Chrono crystals on your iOS and Android devices, mode APK latest 2023. Today I'm going to show you how to get this bounty on your iOS and Android devices without the need of jailbroken or Android devices, without the need of PC. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and the most important steps to get this app on your devices, and it is the only way to get this app on your devices. So be carefully follow all the steps which I'm going to show you in this tutorial to get this app. If you skip, you can't be able to get this app on your devices. So be carefully follow all the steps in this tutorial which I'm going to show you. If you skip, you can't be able to get this app. And okay guys, we will move to the next screen where I'm going to show you the tutorial how to get this app on your devices. So come on guys, we move to the next screen. To get this app, you all have to come in settings, scroll down to general, scroll down to background app refresh, and make sure turn it on by selecting Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, you all have to come back, scroll down to battery and turn low power mode on for 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds you have to turn it off and go back to general settings. Alright guys, turn it off, come back. Now scroll down to App Store and turn apps update on for 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds you have to turn it off and go back to general, go back to home screen. Alright guys, turn it off, come back. Now come to home screen. Guys, your device is now good to download this app, but unfortunately I can't show the all steps in this video because the team of this app will ban me if I show all the steps. So I am going to pasting the link of the tutorial in the link comment, and I pin it. Go and click and come to the next part of this video, and we will meet there, and like this video if you it's give you a benefit. So okay guys, we'll meet you in our next video. So bye bye.